Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use count function, count a function, count blank function, count if function. First let's start with count function. Count function allows us to count the selected cells. For example, let's see equal to type for count, select the count function, select the cells which needs to be counted, close the bracket and click on enter. And this is only for numbers, not for strings. For example, equal to type for count function, select the count function, select these cells which are strings, close the bracket and click on enter. It automatically shows 0 because count function is used for only numbers, not for strings. Now let's see how to use count a function. This function allows the cells to count that are not empty. That means it counts both strings and numbers. Let's see how to do this. Type equal to, type count a, select the count a function and select the cells which needs to be counted, close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see all the cells are counted irrespective of string or number. Now let's see how to use count blank function. This is to check empty cells. Let's see how it works. Equal to, type for count blank. Now select the cells which needs to be counted, close the bracket and click on enter. Now it is showing as 4 empty cells available in our data table. Let's see how to use COUNTIF function. For example, if you have a requirement like to count how many times India represented under country name. Let's see how to do this. Our requirement is to count India with COUNTIF function. Equal to, type for COUNTIF, select COUNTIF function. Now select the range from country name, comma, select criteria, India. Close the bracket and click on enter. Now you can see India is represented under country name for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, we use count functions in Excel. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you guys.